In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube in Google Chrome browser. If you're trying to cut out distractions and get more done, this quick walkthrough will show you two reliable ways to stop YouTube from loading in Chrome. The first method uses Chrome's built-in site controls and is great if you want a fast, reversible block. The second method uses an extension for a stronger, password-protected lock. Start by opening YouTube in Chrome. At the top of the browser, right next to the web address, you'll see a small icon for site information or controls. Click that. It opens a compact menu just for this website, so anything you change here will only affect YouTube and won't spill over to your other tabs or sites. In that menu, choose Site Settings. This takes you into Chrome's detailed settings page for YouTube, where you can manage what the site is allowed to do. You'll see permissions for things like notifications, sound, and more. What we're looking for is JavaScript. Find the JavaScript option and change it to block. YouTube relies heavily on JavaScript to load the interface and play videos. By blocking it, you essentially break the site so it won't run. If you refresh YouTube after this change, you'll notice videos won't play and many elements won't load, which effectively removes the distraction. If you ever want to undo this, just come back to the same place and switch JavaScript back to allow, or click Reset Permissions to return everything to default. If you'd like a more permanent solution with password protection, use an extension. Open the Chrome Web Store and install the Block Site extension. After adding it to Chrome, follow the on-screen setup to grant the necessary permissions. Then open the extension, add YouTube's address to the blocked list, and enable the password protection option. From that point on, whenever someone tries to open YouTube, the extension will prevent the site from loading entirely, and changes will require the password. This is helpful if you share a computer or want an extra layer of discipline so you don't undo the block in a moment of temptation. With either approach, you now have a practical way to keep YouTube out of your workflow. The built-in setting is quick and easy to toggle, while the extension gives you stronger, password-guarded control. Refresh your tabs, test the block, and get back to focusing on what matters. You're all set.